Good morning, good morning. It's Friday morning. It is 5:10 a.m. and I am on my way to get my first rider. As of right now, I've got 4 reserved rides ready to go, stretching from now. I think the last one's at like 12:30 this afternoon. Should put me up around 170, 180, not counting tips if I get tipped out on these rides. I don't know, man. Let's try to make this money, bruh. Let's get this money. All right, that's the first trip down. Not bad at all. He was ready to go. It's about 22 minutes. Probably took about 8-9 miles. Paid $23.95. Now the next one is at 7 a.m. So I'm gonna start making my way out there now. Okay, so my 7 a.m. scheduled ride just canceled. And I guess they canceled in enough time not to have to pay the cancellation fee, which I thought was an hour out, but I guess, I don't know. That's the downside to doing these scheduled rides, is you think you've got a ride in the bag, and then all of a sudden they pull the rug on you. Not a lot I can do about that. So we get ready for the next one, but in the meantime, the next one's not till 9:30. So, Uber's on, I'm in a decent area. Maybe we get some rides out of here. Well, we're gonna find out. Nothing came up, so I went home, grabbed some coffee, did the military thing. Now, my next ride is 9:30. Seems to be holding, and we're gonna go get this money. I picked up a couple of more rides too in the process, which is pretty cool. So it's like everything's working out. We'll see how it goes. All right, so I just dropped those folks off and got rematched immediately with a Lux Black XL going to South Beach. But the terminal is jam-packed in here. Look at this. Cars everywhere coming in for Memorial Day weekend. Let's get this money. So, you know, I knew to call ahead or text ahead and ask her how many people and how much luggage. Because I can take 6 people in a couple of bags. But no, these are some young ladies, not that good looking. And they was like, oh no, I should be getting a Suburban or an Escalade. So, well, you saw my vehicle. Anyway, she canceled on me. I was there for, you know, with a Black XL, they get 10 minutes. I was there for 5. It took me 15 minutes to get to her through the terminal because it's so backed up. And of course, Lyft is not gonna pay me the cancellation fee, and no more rematches there. But here's the kicker. See, Lyft loses on this ride a couple of ways. Because Lyft loses on this ride because there was a guy down there in a Suburban handing out business cards in the rideshare pickup area at Fort Lauderdale International Airport. You know what they did? They just paid that guy a cash ride out of the airport pickup area, of all places. So now Lyft don't get nothing out of the ride. Y'all gonna learn, man. Y'all gonna learn. Anyway, next scheduled pickup is at 12:30. So we're gonna go try to catch some rides right now until 12:30. All right, so I went and had a little lunch. I am headed to pick up my 12:20 scheduled ride. All these rides today were Lux rides, by the way, none of them XLs. So I can, or I could have done all of these rides in the Model Y that I plan on getting in August. That's the other reason too I'm doing so many scheduled rides. You know, I'm riding around, I've got the Uber app open, but no requests are coming through. In between these rides, I've got the Lyft app open, No requests are coming through. So today, I could have done every trip today with the Model Y. Would have saved me on fuel. You know, the pivot, man, the pivot's real. What I'm curious about now is when I get done with this ride, the next one is at 1:30. So it should line right up. When I drop this guy off, I should be able to go directly to pick up the next person, right? I'm just curious if they try to force me into a rematch again out of the airport, because I can't turn the app off for no new requests, because it should send me to the next pickup. It'll be interesting to see what happens here. All right, so one more to go. Did not get rematched out of the airport. And that's the first rider that didn't tip today. Interesting. Got one more to go. Pickups at 1:45. It's 1:15 now. And then I think I'm going to call it a day. I've been hunting the apps. I'm not seeing a lot of more scheduled rides up there. Odd part is when I got the apps on, I'm not getting pinged up. I don't know. Anyway, we're at 133 for 3 rides on the app today. And that includes me taking time off to go have breakfast and coffee, going and having lunch. And so after we get done with this last ride, I think that's going to be it for the day. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. All right. So I dropped those folks off. Wound up being a Lux Black. I thought it was a Lux. Wound up being a Lux Black. I think I paid like 30 bucks, 33 bucks. It was only 7.5 miles, about 25 minutes. Anyway, I get rematched now with a regular XL going to West Palm Beach from here. I didn't see that one coming. Hopefully it's not 6 people and a ton of luggage. Oh, and it's a new rider. So, I don't know, it's paying out $90. Let's go! All right, so I just dropped this ride off in Palm Beach. It's a good ride. $89 trip, $31 tip. Puts me at $287.63 for the day on, let's see, how many rides did I do today? 5 trips. So not terrible. Been a long day though, and I'm gonna start heading home. We got a lot of weather out here. I'm not gonna get greedy. I don't plan to work tonight. We'll start back up tomorrow morning. All scheduled rides except for that last one, which was a rematch out of the airport, which is why I like doing the airport drop-offs, because even though that ride earlier didn't work out for me, the Lux Black XL, which would have paid $139, this one paid $121. Okay, I'll take the money and run, buddy. All right, we'll see y'all later. Peace out.